Everybody, it is Christmas Eve and we are here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're gonna have breakfast at Boma, so come along to see what good food they have. We are all checked in. We're just waiting for our reservation to be called. So we are seated. Gonna go up and show you some of the food that they have. They have a really good house-made juice. It's the passion fruit, guava, and orange. So I just want to show you guys what's on the buffet. They have stewed South African tomatoes, oak grilled asparagus, oak grilled tomatoes. We have the carved ham station with the Boma mustard, which is chipotle and teriyaki and mustard sauce. They do have an oatmeal station. We have sausage, tater tots, plantains. They have regular pancakes, blueberry pancakes. And then they have the Simba waffles. And then they have the eggs station with scrambled eggs with spinach, tomato, and feta. And then they have different omelets to choose from. And they have bacon. And a grapefruit salad. And then they have some fruit. They have watermelon, and then watermelon with mint. Well, it's a mint pistachio crumb. Then they have some yogurt parfaits, station with ham and cheese and eggs, different meat. Then they have different pastries. Then they have these sticky buns that are really good. And bread pudding French toast. And then they have a bread station with different spreads. So I got a cheese omelet to start. And then a Mickey waffle, and blueberry pancake, bacon, sausage, a Danish. And they do the Simba waffles here also. Now we got a sticky bun, some stewed tomatoes, fire roasted tomato, bacon, ham. Here's what it looks like inside the restaurant. And you are required to wear your mask when you go up to the buffet. So while we're here at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, I wanted to show you guys the Christmas decorations that they have out. So they have this giraffe that's made out of gingerbread. Thought this was cute. They call her Gingiraffe. This is the chef that created the display. And they do have the large Christmas tree in the lobby. Here's some of the decorations they have on the tree up close. Do have the garland hanging around the lobby as well. We came outside to relax on the rockers and just watch the savannah. There's not too many animals out right now. At night you can sit down there. They have a fire pit. It's right outside of the main lobby. Let's see some of the animals a little bit further out. Some wildebeest. Yeah, I see a zebra also. Boma breakfast was really good. I would definitely recommend trying that. They did have a lot of variety, so it would be good for the whole family. Definitely a lot of options. for the kids and adults as well. The ham that they had was really good. So the price for Boma is $29 for adults and $17 for children. We also have these little Christmas trees as you come in the lobby. So we're done at Animal Kingdom Lodge now. I'm not sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but it was really nice coming over here. I really like their lobby at Christmas time. It's really pretty. So see you in the next adventure. Thanks for